In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable the Notes app to sync with iCloud on your iPhone. Whether you're someone who loves the convenience of having Notes seamlessly transition across all your Apple devices, or you prefer keeping your notes strictly local, stick around and learn how to easily switch this feature on or off. Let's dive straight into the process and start by unlocking your iPhone and heading to your Settings app. The settings icon is typically found on your home screen, represented by a grey gear. Once you're in settings, you'll want to locate your name at the very top of the menu. Tapping on your name will take you to your Apple ID settings. This section houses all your personal and iCloud information, which is exactly where we want to be. Next, within the Apple ID settings, you'll see an option labelled iCloud. Go ahead and tap on iCloud. This is where you control all the apps, including photos, mail, contacts, and importantly for us, notes, that can sync to your iCloud account. Scrolling through this list, you will eventually find the Notes app. This might be a good moment to mention that the list can be long, so make sure to scroll carefully to avoid missing it. Once you spot Notes, tap on it. Here you'll see a simple toggle switch. This is the functional heart of today's tutorial. If you want your notes to be synced across all your devices, meaning you can write a note on your iPhone and have it readily available on your iPad or Mac, ensure that this toggle is switched on. Conversely, if you prefer to keep your notes stored solely on your iPhone, you can switch this off. This is particularly useful for those who may have concerns about privacy or simply do not have the need for their notes on other devices. After making your choice, simply wait a few seconds. Toggling this switch is like flicking a virtual light switch. The effects are almost immediate. If you've enabled syncing, your notes will begin to transfer and appear on all devices linked to your Apple ID. And if you've chosen to disable it, the syncing will cease and notes will remain local to your device. And there you have it, a quick, easy process that gives you full control over your Notes app's syncing capabilities. By following these straightforward steps, you've empowered yourself to decide where and how your digital thoughts and to-dos are stored. This process is as simple as that, but offers tremendous flexibility for managing your personal data. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more insightful tips on getting the most out of your Apple devices.